So, you've booked a table for that fancy Italian night out, reservations confirmed and excitement building. But then life throws you a curveball, a work emergency, a sudden craving for takeout instead, or maybe your date canceled. It happens. Now you're left wondering, how do you cancel that TouchBistro reservation without causing a restaurant scramble or messing with your reputation? Don't worry, fellow foodie. Canceling a reservation on TouchBistro is actually quite simple. But before we dive into the steps, let's acknowledge the importance of courtesy. Restaurants rely on reservations for planning, staffing, and ensuring a smooth dining experience for everyone. So, giving them ample notice of a cancellation is key. Here's the thing, TouchBistro itself doesn't directly handle cancellations. They act as a middleman, connecting you with the restaurant's reservation system. This means the cancellation method depends on the restaurant you booked with. But fret not, we'll cover both the most common options. Method 1. Canceling through the restaurant's online ordering or reservation system. Many restaurants using TouchBistro have their own online presence for reservations and takeout orders. Here's how to find and potentially cancel through this system. Seek and destroy. First, you need to find the restaurant's website or dedicated reservation platform. Often, the restaurant's contact details or a reservations link might be included in your confirmation email. Log in. If the restaurant has an online reservation system, you might need to log in with the details you used while booking. Find your reservation. Once logged in, navigate to the reservation section and search for your upcoming booking. This might involve filtering by your name, date, or phone number. Cancellation Calvary. Look for a cancel or modify reservation option associated with your booking. This could be a button, a link, or a drop-down menu. Confirmation is key. Once you initiate cancellation, the system might ask you to confirm your decision. Double-check everything before hitting that final button. Method 2. The classic, a friendly phone call. If the restaurant doesn't have a readily accessible online system, the good old-fashioned phone call is your best bet. Dial it up. Find the restaurant's phone number from your confirmation email or a quick web search. Manners make the difference. Be polite and courteous when explaining your need to cancel. Briefly state your name, the reservation date and time, and apologize for any inconvenience caused. Transparency is golden. If you have a reason for canceling, like an unexpected event, you can briefly explain it. This shows respect for the restaurant's efforts. Bonus tip: cancellation with courtesy. No matter which method you choose, remember, the sooner you cancel, the better. This allows the restaurant to adjust their plans and potentially offer the table to someone else. Ideally, aim to cancel at least 24 hours before your reservation, especially for popular restaurants or weekends. The all-important fine print. Remember, some restaurants might have specific cancellation policies with fees for late cancellations. Always check the restaurant's website or inquire during your reservation call to avoid any surprises. With that said, thanks for watching. Now you have the knowledge and tools to gracefully cancel those TouchBistro reservations when needed. Until next time, happy dining or takeout NG. No judgment here.